What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates Magic School Bus Edition. I'm Miss Frizzle, and today I'm gonna take you on a very exciting adventure. We're all gonna jump on the Magic School Bus and we're gonna learn all about roller skates. Yeah. So today I'm going to explain to you the very basics of what a roller skate is. Now, if you haven't been to this channel before, Queer Girl Straight Skates is a roller skating channel. On it, there are plenty of lifestyle roller skating videos, roller skating tutorials, and reviews. So if you like all those things, then you should definitely subscribe and keep coming back because I put out new videos every Tuesday and I go live every Sunday. Yeah! Okay. Let's jump right into it. Queer Girl Straight Skates! Now you might be asking yourself, what is a roller skate? Well, let me tell you, a roller skate in its very simplest form is a boot that has 4 wheels on the boot. The boot usually has the 4 wheels with the 2 next to each other in the front and the 2 next to each other in the back. So if you're looking at skates and there's a line of wheels, then those aren't roller skates, those are roller blades. So let's talk about the basic anatomy of a roller skate. The first thing that you need to know is that this top part is a boot. And this boot can be a high-rise boot, kind of like this one is with a heel. It could also be a flat boot that has no heel. It could have a boot that has no ankle. And you can also make roller skates out of your regular shoes. So if I wanted to take my Docs and turn them into roller skates, I could 100% do that. Or if I wanted to take some nice dress shoes and make them into roller skates, I could also do that. So essentially the top component is just what your foot's going to go into. Your roller skate will usually come with some kind of laces. The laces can be changed on any roller skate, so whatever laces your skate comes with, you can always change. And then attached to the boot or the shoe is going to be the hardware. And the hardware is all this stuff on the bottom. So we've got plate, we've got the trucks, we've got wheels, we've got bearings, we've got nuts, we've got kingpins, we've got pivot cups, but I'm not gonna go into all of those right now. I just want you to know the basic parts of your skate. So this part is the boot. Then we've got the laces. This part of the boot is the upper. This part of the boot is the backstay. This part of the boot is the sole. So you're gonna have a tongue right here, same as on like any other regular tennis shoe, you have a tongue. And then you might have a insole in your skate. This one in the Moxie Lolly is very thin. You might have a thicker one. You might get different insoles. You might order the Dr. Scholl's ones and put them in your skate to be more comfortable. Basically, almost everything about a roller skate is customizable. Okay, so the stuff at the bottom of the skate. This part right here, this is the plate. The plate is the contraption that attaches the boot to the hardware and is also hardware. And it really is a very important part of the skate, which is why like you want this to be a good material. These are nylon, they will hold up really well. If you have metal plates, those work as well. You never want a plate to be plastic. Plastic plates are very dangerous because you don't want your plate to break and you don't want your plate to bow and flex with you. Then attached to the plate, you also have your trucks. You have your kingpin, you have your cushions, you have pivot cup in here, which is attached to the trucks as well. And the trucks can be loosened, which means that they can go back and forth this way, or they can be really tight and stuck on there like that. And you're gonna loosen or tighten your trucks based off of preference. Okay, so boot, laces, plate, trucks, These are the wheels. The wheels of the skate go round and round. And you want your wheels to move. You really want your wheels to roll. That is super, 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 super important. The way that wheels roll is wheels roll because they have a bearing inside of them. There are different levels of bearings. Some bearings are going to be less slick, so they won't roll as fast, and that's going to make it a little bit more difficult for you to actually skate in your skates. And that really is something that depends on what you want out of your skate, but a bearing, a really good bearing, is one of those things that skaters almost never want to buy for themselves because they're pretty expensive, but they really change how skating feels for them. So bearings are awesome, but bearings come in the wheel and you can change out bearings. Sometimes when you buy wheels, they will come with bearings. Sometimes they won't come with bearings. And if they don't come with bearings, then you will need to buy bearings separately because you can't put a wheel on your skate without bearings in it. And then you have a little nut that tightens on your wheel to the actual skate. I'll actually show you what it looks like. You can take off your wheel and you can see what the nut looks like, which is this little guy. And then you can take off the wheel and you can put pretty much any roller skate wheel will fit onto any roller skate. So you can pretty much replace your roller skate wheels with any other roller skate wheel. Like if I wanted to change this skate to an indoor skate, I would just put on an indoor wheel. So a lot of times people ask me like, how is it that I can get an indoor skate or an outdoor skate? And it's not necessarily about the skate itself, although if you were getting into like high level skating inside or skating outside and you want specific boots for the activity you're doing, then that would be different. But when it comes to just like, can I skate in these skates indoors versus outdoors? What it is it's your wheels. It's not the boot. So these wheels, they're a little bit more gummy. You're gonna wanna take these outside. And smaller, harder wheels, they're a little bit better for inside because they can make you go faster, or they're better for smoother environments like a rink, etc. Okay, so we've got boot, we've got plate, we've got trucks, we've got cushions, which are these inside here. We've got kingpins, which are these here. The pivot cup is inside here. And then we've got wheels. We've got bearings inside of our wheels, which are these things right here. And then the last part of our skate is the toe stop. So your toe stop is a really important part of your skate. You can take it out or you can tighten it. You can have an adjustable toe stop or a bolt-on toe stop. A adjustable toe stop looks like this. It means that you can make it different heights so that it's easier for you to stop or walk on your toe stops with it. And a bolt-on toe stop is one size and it screws into the actual skate. So those are the basic components to a roller skate. There are many different nuances and different things you want to consider when changing different parts of your roller skate, and I'll go into those in future videos, but for right now, and you wanted to know the different parts of your skate, that is it. Skates, roller skates, yeah! Thanks for coming to this lesson with Miss Frizzle. Miss Frizzle is a guest on our show that only comes out during Halloween time, but she's really good at just getting everyone excited about the basics of roller skating. Funny story, the first time that I was on the For You page on TikTok, it was me dressed up as Miss Frizzle, like skating to the Magic School Bus theme song. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I hope you now understand the very basics about what a roller skate boot is and all the different parts of the roller skate. So when someone says, oh, you need to clean your bearings, you know what your bearings are, or you know when someone talks about loosening their trucks, what your trucks are, and know that all the different parts of the roller skate are all very complex, so it's important to just kind of take it step by step. If you don't know everything about your skate, I've been skating for 3 years and I'm still learning. So just know that roller skates are an amazing, incredible, constantly evolving mechanism that we get the joy of skating around outside and flying on. Yeah, not literally flying, like flying down, like gliding down the street. So you should follow along with this video and pick out all the different parts of your skate. You can even take your skates all the way apart and put them back together again if that's something that you would like to do with me. Maybe we could do a live. We could take our skates all the way apart and put them back together. Put it down in the comments. And if you want to support me further, you can become a Patreon. I put out new vlogs every week, or you can buy stickers, patches, or other exciting things on my Etsy. But most importantly, have a wonderful day and cheers to the queers. Yeah. Does Miss Frizzle say cheers to the queers? I feel like she does. Thanks for joining this magic school bus ride into the inside of the roller skate. I've got a rebel soul.